Hello students, today we are going to discuss format of letter to the editor of a newspaper. लास्ट वीडियो में मैंने आप लोगों को फॉर्मेट ऑफ फॉर्मल लेटर सिखाया था. Now formal letters में letter to editor of a newspaper is very important from exams point of view, especially for the students of 10th CBSE. सो अगर एग्जाम में फॉर्मेट ऑफ अ लेटर टू द एडिटर ऑफ अ न्यूज़पेपर आता है, लेटर टू द एडिटर ऑफ अ न्यूज़पेपर में यू पीपल हैव टू फॉलो दिस स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मेट ओनली. नाउ द फॉर्मेट इज वेरी इजी. फर्स्ट कम्स द sender's address. Sender's address, maximum 3 lines. You don't have to use any commas in sender's address. Sender's address will be given in the question paper. You have to copy that sender's address in your answer sheet. Then you have to leave a line and you have to write the date of writing the letter. अब डेट में तुम्हें इतना ध्यान रखना है that डेट में हम कभी भी डैश या स्लैश यूज नहीं करेंगे. You have to check out my previous video in order to see how to write a date. Then after writing the date, we again have to leave a line and we have to write the receiver's designation. Receiver's designation and address में पहले लिखना है the editor. As we are writing this letter to the editor of Times of India, we will write the editor in designation and then we will write the address. Address should again be in 3 lines only, shouldn't exceed 3 lines. Then we have to leave a line and we have to write salutation. Salutation में हम dear नहीं लिखेंगे. Salutation में we will write sir or madam, comma. S should be capital. Then we have to leave a line and we have to write the subject. Subject मैंने आप लोगों को समझाया है. Subject हमेशा 3 to 4 words में लिखना है. Subject में words waste नहीं करने हैं. जो भी question में दिया है that you have to copy in your answer sheet and you have to keep the subject very short and sweet. Maximum of 4 to 5 words, not beyond that. Then we come to the main body of the letter. अब जब हम main body of the letter लिखते हैं, पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 आपको ऐसे ही लिखना है जैसे मैंने स्क्रीन पे बताया. यू हैव टू लर्न पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 and you have to learn paragraph number 4. When you are writing a letter to the editor, I need the same lines in your answer sheet. For example, paragraph number 1, how will we start? Through the column of your esteemed newspaper. Esteemed का मतलब होता है famous newspaper. So through the column of your famous newspaper, esteemed newspaper, write the newspaper's name. For example, Times of India. I would like to draw attention of the concerned authorities. अब concerned authorities का मतलब क्या है? Concerned authorities वो authorities होते हैं जिनका attention आपको चाहिए. For example, if you need the attention of the municipal commissioner, then the concerned authority will be municipal commissioner. If you want the attention of the police commissioner of your city, then concerned authority means the police commissioner of your city. So instead of writing police commissioner or municipal commissioner, we'll simply write concerned authorities towards dash dash dash. Whatever problem is given in the question, you have to copy that problem in your answer. And this is how you have to write paragraph number 1 while writing a letter to the editor of a newspaper. Paragraph number 2 is very simple. You have to discuss your issues. 5 problems तुम्हें अपने लिखने हैं. Paragraph number 3 में आप लोगों को अपने 5 suggestions देने हैं. How will you solve these problems? And paragraph number 4. Again, paragraph number 4 ये learn by heart करना है. Paragraph number 1, paragraph number 4 as it is लिखना है. Paragraph number 4 में you have to request the editor to publish your letter in the newspaper. Why? So that the concerned authority could see the seriousness of this matter. Obviously, जब ये letter newspaper में print होगा, so your concerned authority could see the seriousness and would take some measures as soon as possible. So you have to request the editor to kindly to publish this letter in his newspaper so that the concerned authority could see the seriousness and would take some measures to solve the problem. After writing the main body, you have to simply write the closing section. That is thanking you, yours sincerely or yours faithfully, XYZ, or whatever name is given in the question. You have to copy that.